Hello everyone, myself Ars Patel from grade 10th from Srimati VM English Medium School, Halol. This is the title of my journey, is a journey from an unconfident man to a confident man. What does leadership mean by me? Leadership can be described as an ability of an individual to influence, motivate and enable others to contribute towards the effectiveness and success of an organization or a group of which they are the members. These are the virtual challenges that we have during the 8th annual Lead Awards. The first challenge is make a wand for yourself. So this is my wand of capabilities. This is the image, and the power of wand is talent, speed, mindset. Second challenge is vision board that I want to be. So I want to be, my vision is to be a businessman. So what is the skill required to be a businessman? So these are the skills, and how I will develop these skills. So I will develop innovation skill by thinking, talking and doing. I will develop hardware skill by doing marketing skill. I will develop communication skill by paying attention, invest in the right intention. I will develop cash management skill by using smart scheduling, find more ways to make money. I will develop focus skill by start each morning with exercise, get small daily goals, get enough sleep, etc. So third challenge is stretch your imagination. In this challenge we have to make 3 toys. So my toys are the gun, car, tub. Things required to make this toys is 6 bottle cans, 4 ice cream sticks, 5 coloring paper, some straw, glue gun, 2 rubber bands, some cardboard, etc. This story is in regarding to the war waged in year 1961 between India and Pakistan. In this story, the grandfather who is the army chief at that time was telling that war story to his child son. The title of this story is The Strength of the Army. Next challenge is help in kitchen. As you know, it was very good experience for me. First when I cook roti, then it was burnt, and first time roti was not look like a perfect circle. It was like the oval shape that you had see in this image that I was making. These are the tasks that I had done in the kitchen. First of all, I cooked chapati. After I cooked the vegetables of bindi. After I was the utensil. My feedback on this activity is this activity was really very good, experiencing and wonderful. By this activity, we can learn so many things. For example, patience, collaboration, thinking, etc. Next challenge is let's make the world a better place. So my topic is corruption. Corruption may include many activities including bribery, embezzlement. Through it may also involve practices that are legal in many countries. These are the outcomes. These are the outcomes of my topic. Corruption, wastage over taxes or rates that have been earmarked for important community projects. Corruption that occur in the environmental sector can have a devastating impact. Such practices include embezzlement during the implementation of environmental programs. So I will create awareness by doing a public session, by having the expert opinion. I will do the session on the door-to-door visit. Etc. Social action. Next challenge is social action. So I will conduct research on the corruption topic. I will contact with anti-corruption department. I will change the government process by talking with by taking permission from Supreme Court. Overall details is reached. I have reached 40 people. Number of days that I spend is 9 to 10 days. Amount spent is 0 rupees. Challenges faced during this, it was really very tough and has many challenges that I find. First of all, the major challenge was pressure. The camp was about 2 or 3 hours in a day. In that challenge was to maintain focus all the time. It was major challenge. Things that I learned from lead award is I gained confidence. I learned how to host the seminar. My creativity, critical thinking, collaboration has also been increased. My communication skill is also increased. Lead has also given me the skills that a leader have. Overall, lead has changed my character. Skill utilized during the camp. Major skill that is utilized is the leadership. Communication skill is also utilized to communicate and confidently. Time management skill to manage time in a sufficient time. Risk management skill to take the risk, however. Problem solving skill to solve any problem at any time. In that, visualization skill, active listening skill, research skill, etc. are the major skills that are utilized during the lead awards. Describe leading people often involves making decisions and judgments about certain situations. An effective leader must be able to act decisively even without all the necessary information. Leadership platform has been engaging leadership and leaders for over a decade now. So thank you. Be safe, be at home. Thank you.